lower. What happens if the like if I always do that?
So what do you guys think about Hack the Anvil?
It's great. It's a great opportunity for the Purdue students.
Right. What are you guys doing?
Working on an iOS app.
What's it do?
It takes the calendar events, which comes in your emails, and then looks for the events in your calendar, and then sees if they have a conflict,
Right.
and returns a conflict if there is one.
Right. Sounds cool. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks. So, what are you guys up to?
We're developing an Android and iOS application right now.
What's the application do?
Well, we have a startup called Shelf,
Right.
where we create a digital pantry. We take ingredients from those pantries and we go for a recipe search based on the ingredients we think you have. And we design, or we basically populate this digital pantry by scanning receipts as opposed to taking individual items and inputting them, or like scanning barcodes. And we use things like, I don't know, lifetime prediction algorithms to predict how these these items run out. We have optical character recognition to read from the receipts. And that pretty much sums up our idea.
Right. Sounds cool. What do you guys think about Hack the Anvil?
It's fun. It's cool. I mean, there's a lot of people here, a lot of motivated people.
Right.
Most of them were gone by 7 a.m., but as you can see, most of them came back.
Right.
The food's nice. The people are not too bad. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, they don't work. Oh yeah, because some of the strands not work. Or is it the other one?